There is a line at the Alliant Energy Center test site that moves a lot faster than the other ones. You also need a little bit of luck to end up in it. But soon there could be more vaccination lines at Alliant as we wait for the state to announce the next phase of people. Madeline O'Neill is live at the Alliant Energy Center now with what it looks like and how long it might take. Maddie?
Yeah, there were a few lanes open today for vaccinations for those frontline healthcare workers who have signed up and were invited here. Now, it really depends on supply of vaccine, but yesterday, Public Health Madison and Dane County was able to do just more than 600 vaccinations. Right now, they're building a foundation which they can expand in the coming weeks and months as more groups are able to get vaccinated.
They're super happy. You know, I think everybody realizes that this has been a long haul.
Demand for the COVID-19 vaccine is high, and Public Health Madison and Dane County is working to keep up.
That's one of our jobs, is to try to get as much vaccine into arms as possible.
Right now, those arms must belong to frontline healthcare workers in the 1A tier, whose employers have completed an online survey. To work through that list, which at one point had more than 4,000 people.
We randomize the names that we have, and we pull out the names that we have for available doses.
With each vaccine, Operations Section Chief Doug Fagley says they get more efficient, preparing to expand as more groups become eligible in Tier 1B.
We're not going to wait until 1A is all done. It's like getting on an airplane. You don't wait until Group A has completely boarded before you open the doors and start letting Group B in.
The Department of Health Services hasn't released exactly which groups will be in Tier 1B yet. They're waiting for a state committee's final recommendations next week.
We can't wait until those decisions are made to begin to plan and prepare for expanding access. And so those plans are underway, and I think you will see expansion to other groups within that 1B category very soon.
That means more shots in the arms of people like police and firefighters here at the Alliant Energy Center in the coming weeks.
We just want to make sure that we can move through this tier and then get into the next tier and move through there so that we can hopefully hit the general public in late spring.
Public Health partners with health systems to help work through that list to get people vaccinated as well. Now, much like their online registration system for COVID-19 testing, they hope to set up something similar for vaccinations in the next month or so. And of course, as vaccine distribution increases, this won't be the only community site offering vaccinations.